this is Ezra and welcome to Rokiwaste. We'd like to show you what we can offer you as a client from our small to large range bespoke solutions, design, engineering and the production in-house. Please take a look and we look forward to dealing with you in the future. Thanks very much.
And as you can see, Rokiwaste doesn't just do off-the-shelf solutions, we do bespoke models, custom suited to your needs. So please enjoy this video and have a look at the capability of Rokiwaste. Thank you.